Hey folks, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you. And I got my buddies here. That's Tyler and that's Mitch. And we're out here at the Whittier jumps now. Everything's dried up and perfectly ready for a jump. We have the Arrma Kraton today. We have 2 rustlers. Action's ready, guys. And we have all these jumps, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's session. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose. Oh! Yeah, man! Yeah.
We don't do it lightly.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh! Oh! All right, folks. So my rustler here, the bulkhead is gone. We weren't able to catch it on the camera because I was just trying to jump out and it broke. The bulkhead is not a big deal. I got like lots of them in stock, but here we are. My buddy Mitch, he has his rustler, and my buddy Tyler, he has his Kraton, and we're still gonna send it. The news is the bashing session is still on. Stay tuned, guys. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! That was close.
I broke the RPM arm there.
Broke the RPM arm?
Yeah. Luckily I have 2 this side.
That's cool.